Welcome! Ladies' Choice and Smart Parenting created these co-creation activities to champion collaborative parenting. Let's get started! Today, we will be helping your child deepen and celebrate his friendships by learning the importance of sharing in a unique way. Help your child learn the value of building good relationships with friends by organizing a group video call activity. Hi, anak! How was your group video call playdate with your friends?
It was fun, Mom. I wish I could do it again soon.
How about planning the next one? You can all do the same activity like making friendship bracelets. Do you like this idea?
That's cool, Mom. Can we pack materials for my friends and send it to them?
Let's start making your friendship bracelet kits then. We can also print invitation labels.
I want to write on the invitations.
Okay, but first, we need to put our bracelet beads into recycled jars. Now, do you want to write on the invitation label?
Yes!
And now, the finishing touch.
My favorite candies. I want to share this with them too.
This is looking great, anak! Now, let's send these boxes out now so they're sure to reach your friends before Saturday.
Thanks, Mom. I like making the box because I made something nice for them and we will all have fun together when we open it.
Giving your child a chance to share his time and effort with his friends can really show him that even simple acts can strengthen his connections with others.
And at our next group video call play date, we will all have matching bracelets already.
Thanks for completing today's activity.
Look, Mom, stars!
Once we collect 10 memory stars, we'll not only become a certified do-it-together mom and kid, we'll also get the chance to earn rewards.
Thank you for watching. Move on to the next co-creation activity by clicking on the next video here.